Welcome to SuiteMatrix IT Solutions, where we help businesses optimize their operations through advanced NetSuite solutions. In today's learning series, we'll be focusing on how you can incorporate cross-currency exchange rates in your advanced PDF templates to enhance your financial processes. Let's dive in. As businesses expand globally, it's crucial to accurately reflect currency conversions in your financial documents. With NetSuite, you can easily add cross-currency exchange rates in your advanced PDF templates to provide a comprehensive view of your financial transactions. By integrating cross-currency exchange rates, you can ensure your financial records are up to date and accurate, eliminating errors and streamlining your financial processes. Whether you're dealing with multiple currencies or global clients, this feature in NetSuite can help you stay on top of your financial game. Our team at SuiteMatrix IT Solutions is here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have a seamless experience implementing cross-currency exchange rates in your advanced PDF templates. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to include the currency exchange rate in your templates. To add the currency exchange rate, navigate to List, Accounting, Currency Exchange Rate. Here, you will find exchange rates for various base and foreign currencies. Then, click New Currency Exchange Rate to create a saved search for the currency exchange. Click on Search button. In the saved search, provide a title for the search. I prefer the title as Currency Rate Search in Advanced PDF and enter the ID, and set criteria for the desired currency. For example, we selected Canadian dollar as the base currency and Australian dollar as the transaction currency. Choose the fields you want to display. In this case, we display base currency, transaction currency, exchange rate, effective data. Finally, save and run the saved search. These are the exchange rates for the specified base and transaction currencies. To add the exchange rate to an advanced PDF HTML template, navigate to Customization, Forms, and then click on Advanced PDF HTML Templates, and click the New Template button at the top of the page. The Template Setup window will appear. Adjust the template title and settings as needed. In the Saved Search field, select the saved search you created. You can also customize the layout settings, such as page orientation, page size, and margins. Finally, click Save. When you click on Source Code, the Advanced Template Editor generates a template displaying saved search results, and click Save. All fields listed on the Results subtab of the saved search appear as columns in this table. In Advanced PDF HTML Templates, the provided title has been included. To test the template, go to List, Search, Saved Search, and open the previously created saved search. Click on View button. Click Print to generate the template. Printing from this template will show a list of results. Review the output to confirm that the exchange rates are displayed correctly. Yes, we have successfully created the template for the exchange rate. Thank you for joining us in this learning series by SuiteMatrix IT Solutions. We hope you found this tutorial on integrating cross-currency exchange rates in advanced PDF templates using NetSuite helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful tips and tricks to enhance your business operations. See you next time.